Hi, this is Tom Brady again, lesson 12, the final walkthrough. This is actually an important thing, the final walkthrough, so don't rush through it, take your time. This is your last line of defense before you purchase the house and any problems that you don't notice. Okay, everything should be there that was included in the sale, and you need to verify that everything is working as it's supposed to be. If it's not, the next day, the day after, you might not have any recourse. The property condition should be in the same condition as when you agreed to purchase it, plus if there were any repairs agreed to by the seller in the contract, those should be done to your satisfaction. All right, make sure all included items are present and working. I had one walkthrough where the people took the Ring doorbell off. They weren't supposed to do that. That's a fixture. They had to replace it. I had another one where there's an expensive refrigerator. They took it out and tried to put a scratch and dent in. Luckily, we caught both things, but only because we're pretty thorough. The refrigerator was easy. The Ring doorbell, we could have missed. All right, let's see. The house should be broom clean. All the seller stuff should be out. You should try and schedule the final walkthrough 24 to 48 hours before the closing in case there's any problems. A lot of people do it the morning of the closing when there's an afternoon closing, but it doesn't give you a lot of time to work out any issues. If you find issues, things missing, things not working, you might need a credit, and doesn't give the attorneys much time to work it out. When you go through the house, test everything, light switches, wash machine, dryer, whatever's there, outlets. You want to make sure everything's working, flush the toilets, run the water. This is, like I say, your last time. If you miss something, if the shower doesn't work or something, there's your last time to get it remediated with probably a credit. All right, document everything you see. Do use common sense, consider the severity of an issue. If it's a minor thing, you can let it go. If the house isn't completely broom clean, you might be better off just letting it go. Sometimes if you have a good relationship with the sellers and there's a problem, you don't know how to do something in the house, you can reach out to them down the road. If you have a bad relationship with them, that avenue is closed. All right, and that's it for the final walkthrough. You just want to take your time, do it thoroughly. Your buyer's agent should be with you for it. They should guide you along. And the attorney needs to be notified ASAP if there is a problem so they can work things out with the other side. All right. Thank you very much. And then the next lesson will be closing, the final one. Thank you.